Today I'm in the daily 4x4 and I'm on my way to 4x4 obsession. Now normally we're bringing our trucks here in a bit of a state. They get bashed and battered out on the tracks and we've got to bring them down here to get them fixed. But the big IVECO has taken everything we've thrown at it out on the tracks and it's in great condition. So I'm coming down here with a bit of a challenge for Brett at 4x4 Obsession. He's going to add a few more accessories for us. We're just pulling into the workshop now. Let's see what he's got to say.
Okay, Simon, how you going?
Morning, Brett.
Okay, the big question. What are we doing this time, Simon?
Brett, I want an exo cage added to the roof. I want light bars across the front, some side lights along the side there, some lights on the back, some lights underneath, and I've got to add an extra fuel pump as well.
Okay, that's a fair list, but doable. Have we got enough battery power to control all these lights or to run them all?
I've got Century lithium batteries right throughout. I've got a big 300 amp hour under there, and I've got 2 cranking batteries installed as well, so plenty of 12 volt.
Okay, beautiful. Then shouldn't be too much of a problem on that side. Exo cage, well, there's nothing really to mount, so I'll have to fabricate some mounting, drill through the roof, plate the inside. But yeah, it's doable, no dramas at all.
And whilst you're up there, can you fix those dents in the roof?
Oh, I knew there'd be something broken on the truck. You had to have done something.
Brushed a few trees here and there, but she's pretty much all good to go.
Oh, that's good. That's what they're used for.
But I'm not just dumping a project on you, I've actually bought some presents as well for you. I've got some fantastic filtration gear from Donaldson. I'm sure your customers or yourself will be able to use that.
Oh, definitely. We'll be able to do some deals with the customers and fit some more Donaldson stuff. No dramas.
I'll leave you the project, Brett. Thank you very much.
Anytime.
A good challenge for you.
It is. It will be.